Check it out, man. It's gonna be a series of 460 videos. Tahoe right here. Building this bad boy. So, got the bell housing off. Get the bell housing off. And then one of these. Torx plus 50. See how they're a little wider than the regular Torx. So I always have to get one of those before I start turning into this bad boy. So took off the pan. I drained the fluid. Took the pan off. This is what we got, man. So I had a noise in first gear. And then it was shifting a second, it would go away. Some people said it was a bearing. I knew it was a sign to pull it out. You know what I mean? It's got I got the Tahoe when it had 170,000 miles. I put 15,000 miles. There's approximately 185 right now. I was doing good, but it was it wasn't new, so but it was hanging in there. But time to pull it out, man. Look what I found right here. We got some hard parts right here. Bam. A few of those. Not sure where that came from, but we're gonna find out for sure. I had drained the fluid previously. I don't know what came out. I didn't see what came out, but this was on the magnet. It's not a lot, but it's definitely something to be concerned about. We got a bunch of bits right here too. But anyway, yeah, man, we're gonna get into this right here. I'll start tearing this bad boy out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we got so yeah, man, here I am. Moving this valve body real quick. This is information for you guys, man. Rebuilt the cylinder R4. Right now rebuilt A460E. I mean, I rebuilt a 406, but I don't rebuilt a 460E. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, man, anybody can do it, man. It's pretty easy. You know how to put back up. You know how to do a crossword puzzle. You know how to rebuild the transmission, man. It's pretty easy. But just gotta be careful. So here I am moving valve body real quick. First, those are 8s. Get these out the way. Yeah, man, check it out. Got these off, got the valve body out real quick, pretty easy. So I like to organize everything. Keep this up right here. Always keep it clean. Got the valve body right here, these 9 bags right here. You know, rebuild piece by piece. We're gonna start banging shit up. Excuse me, my mess right here. Got that. Got these bands. We have brown bands. It's nice and clean. The big bag right here for the input, the drum. So right here, we'll get this bitch off right here real quick. This is assembly. So I want to accumulator. Yeah, man, give me a minute. So here it is, man. It's got right here. I'm anxious to see what's gonna be the damage, you know, because we got some hard parts right there. So once I get this off right here, get that band anchor, we're gonna pull the pump out, and we're gonna see what's damaged. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna build this puppy up. Yeah, boy. Stay tuned. So check it out, man. Got the valve body out. We got the separator plate right here. Yeah, man, check it out. A bunch of debris, man. A lot of debris in this 3/4 accumulator. I'm betting it's 3/4 clutches. Something related right there. I'm not really sure, but we'll see right now. Yeah. Yeah, man, check it out. Got the valve body out, pretty basic, you know what I'm saying? You get the 3/4 accumulators off the 1-2. Bam, you know. Man, I don't really gotta move that unless you change it up. Unless you see what's bad right here, you know what I mean? But for example, ready to pull the pump out. Should pull the tail housing off. Yeah, shit, let me pull it off the tail housing real quick, get that mount off. We'll pull the pump out right now. Bam. Yeah, man, got the tail housing off. Start looking at the tail housing, see that. Yeah, man, this transmission's tired, man. Sure, I'm gonna find something nicer, you know. But yeah, man, I'm gonna build this bad boy up. So all that metal came from, pretty sure it's the clutches and reaction gear probably I seen it happen. But we're gonna remove the pump right now. We're gonna see exactly what's going on. There you go, man. Pull the pump out. Pull the pump out, inspected the pump, checking the 3/4 drum. What we got is a lot of debris, man. We got a lot of debris. Yeah. So the runner's filthy. I wanna see what's the cause of the issue, man. We're gonna pull that out right now. Let's see. Check it out, man. Got the reaction gear, sunshell. Haven't seen nothing conclusive. Bearings look good. Pulled out the sun gear. Damn, we got some teeth missing off the sun gear where it matches with the lower clutch. I forgot what's it called, but yeah, man, got teeth missing. Let's see what else we find in there, man. Let's see what else we got. Let me pull this out real quick. So I pulled out the lower assembly, man. Check that out, man. A few teeth gone. Could be an alignment problem. Jump. It's gonna be jump. Another thing, man. 4-pin implanted. Toast. So if I would have kept driving this, man, would have blew up. And I know all the noises when I hear something funny. I already know something's up. So this is trash, bro. All the teeth on this pin and toes.